Hey guys, this is my week 3 video for Principles of Genetics at NC State University. For this video, I went with prompt 2 to explain synapsis of chromosomes and meiosis in 2 individuals. Individual 1 is chromosomes with the alleles MLI, JK, HG, and GHI, JK, LM. Individual 2 has chromosomes MLI, JK, HG, and GHK, JILM, with a dot representing the centromere. For both individuals, a crossover is occurring between regions J and K. For individual 1, we have a paracentric inversion because when the second chromosome is flipped to match up all the alleles, the middle section, including the centromere, is inverted. Because of this inversion, when the centromeres are lined up, they will form an inversion loop so that all regions will match up. This will create 4 chromatids during meiosis. For the first, you will follow the first chromosome over the bump, create a chromatid that matches that of its parent chromosome. This chromatid will be viable. For the second chromatid, you will follow the first chromosome again over the bump, but then onto the second chromosome through the crossover between regions J and K. This will create the MLI JKLM chromatid, which won't be viable because of the duplications of regions M and L and the deletions of regions G and H. For the third chromatid, you will follow the second chromosome fully around the loop, creating the chromatid MLKJIHG, which is viable because it matches the second parent chromosome. For the second chromatid, you will follow the second chromosome around the loop, then cross to the first chromosome between regions K and J, creating the GHKJIHG chromatid, which is not viable because it duplicates regions G and H and deletes regions M and L. For the second individual, when the second chromosome is flipped, all of the regions match up, so there is no inversion and an inversion loop is not needed. Because there is no inversion, when all regions are matched up and the crossover occurs, all the chromatids will be identical and all will be viable because they will match their parent chromosomes. With all this information, we can conclude that the fitness for individual 1 will be less of that for individual 2 because half of the individual 1's chromatids are not viable and all of individual 2's chromatids are viable. Thanks for watching and go Pack!